Make money online with a simple Adsterra Direct Link trick that I'm going to show you right now in this video. So, I'd like you to watch this video right now to the end to learn this simple strategy. You can also check out my channel because I generally create videos on how to make money online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right now. Also, guys, you can make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to always get alerted whenever I drop more cool and amazing videos. So, diving right ahead into the video of today, you want to come on to this platform called Adsterra.com. It's an amazing platform where you could simply go on to monetize your traffic to acquire top traffic or to go on to getting CPA marketing offers that you could promote right now. And if you come right here, if you do click on sign up, you can see that you could sign up as an advertiser. That's if you want to start promoting your brand or your offer. You could sign up as a publisher if you want to monetize your traffic or other traffic. And you could sign up as an affiliate if you want to gain access to profitable CPA offers. So, right now, it's important that you sign up as a publisher right now. Click on Get Started, follow the necessary procedures that you will be shown, and just simply create an account on this platform called Adsterra. Once your account has been created, guys, you can log into your account and come on to the direct link section where you'll be able to see direct links right now. As you can see, these are my direct links. If you don't have one, you can just simply go to creating one right now by clicking on Create Direct Link. You can actually remove the erotic ads by clicking on Non-Adult, and click on Add a new direct link. Your direct link will be created right away. You can then just simply copy the link and go on to promoting that. And guys, you're just going to be getting paid right there for that direct link based on the amount of clicks you actually get on that particular link. And guys, if you're getting clicks from top-tier countries like the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and other top-tier countries right there, you'll be getting a very cool high CPM that you can actually go on making a lot more amount of money with a little amount of clicks. So, why not just simply try that out right now? Now, to promote this offer, we're going to be utilizing this particular page or website right here called microworkers.com. This is a platform where you can actually go on to working as a freelancer by completing micro job right now. On this platform, all you need to do is to sign up to this platform right here. You can click on register, go on to sign up for an account if you don't have one. Log into your account. You should be brought to a page that will look similar to this. As you can see right here on the home page, you can see a lot of offers people actually go on to posting on this platform for freelancers to complete and earn some money. You can take note of this offer right here. This one actually pays you about $3 right here, and that's for you to download a mobile application, install the application, sign up on the application, and upload video proof that you actually did that. And you're going to get paid $3 right now. You can see other offers right here are paying quite much smaller when compared to that. This one right here pays you about $2.50 right now, which is also kind of similar stuff to the initial one which I showed you earlier. This one pays you about 50 cents, and if you keep on scrolling through, you can see much more cool and amazing offers right here. This is another $2.50 offer, and the more you scroll through, the more you see some cool offers right here. This one is for $1 right now, and you can just simply go to completing this offer yourselves to actually generate some form of capital that you can use to go on to promoting your own Adsterra Direct Link right now. So, all you need to do is to list your Adsterra Direct Link among one of these as a task for people to go on to completing, and you're just going to be giving them a little cash as an incentive for them completing that. Right now, you're going to be giving them quite a smaller amount when compared to that you will actually be earning from them clicking on that link. So, all you need to do right now is after earning some cool cash by completing people's offers, you want to just simply come right here and you could just simply click on Create TTV Campaign. If you do click on that right now, guys, the page is actually going to go on to loading up, and you will be brought to this page right here where you can just simply start a new basic campaign. If you do click on that right now, all you need to do is to go on to selecting the location to which you want to drive traffic to. And you want to select some cool top-tier countries right there like the United States, because I'm going to come right here select the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, and some other top-tier countries right now. If I do select these ones right here, you want to come right here and select the kind of offer you're actually promoting right here. As you can see, there's the offer / sign up, and there are other kinds of ones right here that you just need to select. Maybe you could actually do select offer, and you can just simply go on to describing and set acceptable price now. You could actually go to selecting a template that you want to use. Maybe you could select maybe a simple survey template right there. As you can see, a simple sign-up template. And if you do select that right now, you want to give them a time of how long this would take, and I'm going to fix in something like a minute right now. And you can see the available positions. You could increase or reduce that right there. You could increase or reduce how much each worker will earn. So, I'm just going to take this to something like 9 right here, that is 9 cents. And right now, you can see the speed. You can give this offer a title. This is how much this offer will cost me to run on this platform, which is about $10.42. You can actually go on to promoting and adding some cool instructions for them to follow. Once you are done filling out all those details, go on to clicking on Create Campaign and go to Next. And guys, you can actually run this campaign on this platform, and your offer will be listed among one of those jobs offer for people to complete, and you earn money when they do that. If you actually do analyze this website based on similar web statistics, you actually do find out that they're getting lots and lots and lots of cool traffic to this website right here. And you could just simply go on to monetizing this traffic right now and utilizing that to make money online. So, guys, if the video did add some value, I do hope you hit the like button to the video. Also, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.